Meaning of entropy.
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 Entropy. Entropy is a physical concept that refers to the degree of disorder or randomness in a system. In thermodynamics, entropy is a measure of the availability of energy for doing work. The second law of thermodynamics states that in any natural process, the total entropy of the system always increases. This means that over time, the amount of usable energy in a system will decrease, and the system will become more disordered or random. Ultimately, entropy represents the tendency of the universe towards increasing disorder and the eventual dissipation of energy into unusable forms.